What if I told you that with just one scarf and one pin, you could create a timeless hijab style that's elegant, comfortable, and effortless? Stay with me, and I'll show you exactly how to master the classic square hijab look in just a few simple steps. Take your pastel square scarf and fold it into a neat triangle. Place it gently over your head so the middle point falls down your back and the two ends rest in front of your shoulders. Adjust the scarf so that one side is slightly shorter than the other. This will make wrapping easier. Hold both ends under your chin, bring them together, and secure them with a small pin or magnet, just tight enough to stay in place but still comfortable. Now, let the longer side flow down, then bring it around your neck and over to the opposite shoulder. Tuck it in lightly or secure it with a discreet pin at the side. Smooth the shorter side so it lies softly over your chest and pull the edges near your face to frame it neatly. Adjust the folds until they drape naturally, giving you a clean, graceful finish. Finally, check in the mirror, make sure the back point falls evenly, and smooth out any bumps. With just a few simple steps, you've created a classic square hijab style that looks modest, elegant, and effortless.